I just finished adding up all the expenses related to my Sisterlocks in 2025, and I am surprised. Sisterlocks is known as one of the more expensive lock systems out there, and I mostly agree with this, especially when it comes to the installation. It can be really pricey, but I do think that overshadows other savings. So in this video, I am pulling back the curtain and revealing exactly how much I spent on my retightenings, products, and services in 2025. Welcome to day 21 of my 31-day challenge where I'm trying a new product, style, or method on my Sisterlocks. But today I thought it would be useful as the year winds down to share with you exactly how much it cost me to maintain and care for my locks in 2025. I had never tallied these numbers before, so it was really interesting to go through them. Let me share them with you. First up was my retightenings, which was my biggest expense related to my locks in 2025, of course. I retightened my hair 8 times in 2025, and I go every 6 to 8 weeks. I'm absolutely done with my retightenings for the rest of the year. My sessions cost me between $130 to $140 and take about 4 hours. So in total, I paid $1,040 in 2025 to retighten my hair. I could eliminate this cost by retightening my hair myself, but I've talked about this before. I think the opportunity cost is just too high. My loctician can do my hair in 4 hours. If I were to do it myself, it would take more than double the time, and I'd rather spend that time doing something else. So I'm always gonna pay for speed. And also I just think about it as like a self-care moment where I just sit down, have conversation, and just have somebody take care of me for some time. Products. One of the best things about Sisterlocks is how low maintenance it is product-wise. I do not buy a whole bunch of products. I do make my own moisturizing spray. So because of that, I do buy carrier and essential oils. In 2025, I mostly bought coconut, avocado, and grapeseed oil. I also bought shampoos and some leave-in conditioner as well, and some hair accessories. In 2025, I spent $210 on products. Services. I had a few services beyond my retightenings in 2025. I colored my hair once. I did that back in March. My sister, who's a loctician, does my coloring for me, so I get a bit of a family discount. That service cost me $110. Also, just a couple months ago in October, I got lock sprinkles installed, and that cost me $60 after a discount. So in total, that's $170 in additional services. Pulling that all together, I spent $1,040 on my retightenings, $210 on products, and $170 on additional services. That brings my total cost of maintaining and caring for my Sisterlocks in 2025 to $1,420. That works out to be an average of $118 per month. That is a deal in my books. It's less than any hairstyle that I had before locks. When I was a loose natural wearing braids and twists, I definitely spent more than that every month on my services and on the hair products that I had to buy. And even when I had a relaxer, I was a product junkie and would spend way more than $118 between my relaxer and the products that I bought. In addition, my locks save me so much time every month, and the freedom is just priceless. Locks, especially Sisterlocks, are an investment. You are gonna pay a lot upfront to have them installed typically, but as the time goes on, you are going to be saving money versus other hairstyles. For me, the $14.20 is worth every single penny. Let me know in the comments how much are retightenings in your city right now? And if you don't have locks, tell me the cost of your go-to hairstyle. Let's compare. And for reference, I am in Toronto. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and see you tomorrow with another video.